In the product size defaults, you can predetermine the sizes of the products that you wish to order. This is an optional section of your room defaults, as you are able to make adjustments to any individual product. However, if you'd like to have each product to be added at the same initial dimensions, this is where you can set those parameters. When you first enter the tab, you might notice that Standard 1 has been applied, which is an automatic size default for your base, upper, and tall heights and depths, which is what you would refer to as your carcass size. These defaults can be found, edited, and created in your account settings. If need be, you can change any of these values to fit your job defaults, and what will happen is when you add one of these types of products into your job at a later stage, they will abide by these default parameters. As you can see, each field is linked to the picture on the right, so when you change a field, it will be updated in both sections. You can also change a field from the right side as well, which will be reflected across the board. As previously mentioned, these are just default sizes, and you will be able to make adjustments to any individual product.